In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add free shipping to your Shopify products. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery. And I'm going to show you guys some tips on how you can make it or make this better. Like changing this, like making your shipping free is will help you convert a lot of customers to like sales. Okay, that's what I mean. Like it will encourage people to pay for the products on your Shopify. Now, what you need to do, guys, to make the free shipping, you want to click on manage. Okay, as you can see, general shipping rates, you want to click on manage. And then what you want to do, guys, next you want to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, I'm charging $30, for example. Okay, you want to click on the where it says free. I am not charging, like, for people who live in United States, I'm sending it for free, but international shipping I charge like $30. Okay, I know that this is not the currency, I will change it. Okay, now you want to click on these three little dots, edit right, and then you can change the price here to 0.00. click done, and then that's free. Okay, if you add 0.00, that's free. Add here, I'm going to add, for example, $30. Okay, and then I am going to click on these three little dots, edit. Free shipping means 0.00, and that's exactly how you can add free shipping to all your products on Shopify. And make sure you click on save in the top right after you edit this. And see you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.